everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Raji. Today we are going to know about Pulsar bike. Okay, till now we have seen Hero, but today we are going to know about Pulsar. Everything will be same in Hero, Honda and in all bikes. I mean indicators, horn, self starter, headlight, this everything will be same. But in this we have to know mainly about gears. It will be difficult than Hero bike. Okay, for Hero bike it will be backside only 4 gears. 4 gears having no. But in this bike 5 gears will be, that too first gear will be front side and remaining 4 gears will be back side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again if we want to come neutral, front side only we have to put 1, 2, 3, 5 times. Okay, that's it. Okay, we'll see what is the difference between Hero and Pulsar bike. For beginners, Hero will be good. I mean, they can bear easily and comfortably. For beginners, Hero will be good because it will be less weight than this. After learning Hero bike, you can learn easily Pulsar bike also. Everything will be difficult till you don't know. After you know, everything will be easy. Yes, no? Okay, we'll see one round. Okay, before going to ride, I forgot to tell you, for beginners, better to go for Hero bike because there will be 4 gears. That too will be backside only, no confusion. But in this bike, 5 gears will be, that too 1 will be first and front side and 4 will be backside. No? Somewhat difficult will be, but we have to learn. Let's go for a ride. I'm also first time riding Pulsar bike. Now it is in neutral. We'll start. No kick start in this bike. Yeah, we started. Hold the clutch. Front side now, first gear. I'm putting first gear. Completed my Pulsar bike ride. Before going to ride, I felt somewhat nervous. after riding this Pulsar bike, I felt than Hero bike, it is better. Okay, after learning Hero bike only, try this bike. Otherwise, you cannot bear and you cannot drive it. Okay, that's it for today. Till now, who didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.